Yes. In this video, I will show you one issue that I had before. I am using this filament. This is one. The brand is Esun, and this is PLA 1.75 millimeters. Okay, guys. The issue is the temperature. In my case, the temperature. At the beginning, I was printing this to 215 degrees, and you can see the result. Speed of the printing was 100 millimeters per second. Then I use a retraction distance of 1 millimeters, and the same issue appears, the same speed and the same degrees. In this case, 215 degrees. Then I printed to a reduction distance of 1.2 millimeters and the same temperature. You can see the same speed, 100 in this case, and the same result. Okay, then I printed to 200 degrees of temperature, speed of 100, 0.8 of retraction distance. In my case, is the default value for Ender 3 S1 Plus. This is the result. No improvements. Okay, then I printed this to calibrate my retractions. This to 215 degrees. You can see a lot of threads or hairs, and then I reduce the temperature to 200. You can see the difference. Here is the difference. No difference, not much difference, but then I decided to print this to 200 degrees and speed of 19, retraction distance of 1 millimeters. In this case, you can see a better result than before. I think that this filament requires a temperature of 200. Before I did a tower temperature. You can see the tower temperature. The best result was at 200 degrees. You can see that there isn't threads or hairs. 220, there is a lot of threads or hairs. 215, there is threads and or hairs. I think that 200 is, for me, is better, and using a retraction distance of the speed is 90 millimeters per second. The distance retraction by default was 0.8. I decided to increase this value to 1.0 millimeters, and you can see the result. This is the result. I think that this is the best adjustment for this filament. Okay, guys, that's it. I hope that this video was useful for you. Bye bye.